Hello, boys and girls. Are you good? How are you today? I'm here to tell you about some body parts of some animals, okay? First, we are going to see some pictures and then we are going to the student's book. So let's start. Now Miss Fabi is going to be smaller and then you are going to see the pictures. So let's start. First, we have the teeth. Teeth. Okay, you can see four pictures of this part. Teeth. Okay, then we have tail. Tail. Then we have claws. Claws. Fur. Oops, I'm sorry, it was too fast. This is the trunk, okay? The part of the elephant. Trunk and scales. Now we are going to pages 54 and 55, okay? On page 54, take a look here. Crocodile, giraffe, tiger, elephant, and snake. You have to write the name of the animal. Vai escrever o nome do animal que essa picture representa. Nesses quadradinhos, você vai assinalar apenas two animals que possuem fur, ok? Que o corpinho é coberto por fur. What is fur? Let's review. This is fur, okay? Pelos. So, page 54, write the name of the animals and choose two animals that have fur, okay? On page 55, take a look here. Long trunk, long tail, sharp teeth, and sharp claws. A, B, C, D. You have to write letters. For example, a long trunk. Who has a long trunk? The crocodile? The elephant? Who has a long trunk? This is letter A. So you are going to write, oops, you are going to write letter A here. Long trunk. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.